Let's take a look at Angry Bird slingshot pens. These pens come with Angry Bird launchers, as you can see. You get two of them for 100 rupees or $2. You can remove the bird and you can shoot the Angry Bird like this, or you can shoot any other stuff. So that's a slingshot pen for you. Would make a nice office toy. Once you're done, you can put the bird icon, bird ball back on like this. Unlike the other stuff, this is quite well made. The birds also look quite realistic, as you can see, quite nice. And the pen has also printing of Angry Birds, not just stickers. And it even works as a pen quite nicely. You just push the slingshot down and it works. Would make a fun office toy. Check it out. That's Angry Bird slingshot pen for you.